bestie. Look at that. This is beach and resort. See? And they have store. This is some charge me. Maybe they just didn't see me. I don't know really. But this is so beautiful. So hello again, bestie. I'm here in beach resort. Wow, this is fantastic. There's also a store inside, playground, cottages, and also room. There's also some rooms. If you want to stay overnight, they have a beautiful cottages. I don't know, nobody charged me. Maybe they just didn't see me. I don't know really. But this is so beautiful. The small cottages, see? There. Wow. Look at it, bestie. See? The star, the water and the skies is clear. The water is so crystal clear. And these are the beaches. Oh, how beautiful. Nobody here. I don't know. This is kind of fancy cottage. It's like kind of fancy cottage. Let me show you inside. But actually I'm shy because nobody home. That's a big huge one. Wow. And this is really beautiful over here. But nobody here, only this one family, and that's it. Continuation, bestie. Look at that. This is beach and resort. See? And they have store. This is amazing. Stores. They have this one. They have swing for kids. Oh, they have swing also. See? And there. I love it. I see. Sisikoy, I remember you saying no. There's a lot of beautiful rooms. And there is a swimming pool that kids could play over there. Okay. Kamu sige nag-vlog kita sasaw. Okay. That one. So, and then bestie, these are the rooms. So the bigger one is 3.5. The small one is 2.5. So there is aircon, it's cold inside, and there is also a room girl, and they're very friendly. Some of the room girl here is for relatives, like for relatives. So it was a beautiful. Was beautiful luxury beach and resort in my area. Anyway, thank you so much, bestie, for watching. Much love.